I'm Luca Magagnino from Politecnico di Milano. We are a partner in the FreeMe project. The FreeMe project aims to develop alternatives to the use of hexavalent chromium-based etchant and the use of palladium as a catalyst. So we want to develop new alternatives, safer and more sustainable. And in the case of at Politecnico di Milano, our activities in the FreeMe project is the development of one of the approaches of the FreeMe project based on the use of resin instead of etching the ABS, together with new catalysts based on nickel as an alternative to palladium.
My name is Elina Kotoyami and I'm from Aristotle University of Thessaloniki. We are partners in FreeMe project where we are focusing on the development and optimization of UV curable bio-based composite resins derived from isosolubite and taconic acid. Our goal is to make coatings that are rigid and thin on ABS substrates.
Hi everyone, I'm Francisco Garcia from Idenere Research and Development, and in this project we are basically making a multi-scale modeling of the processes, of different processes that are being developed in FreeMe.